What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Rafiq and I've got a tech unboxing video for you guys today. This is from Flipkart, pretty obvious, and I'm going to open it with this knife. No, I'm not going to kill anyone, though I've already cut my finger with it. Nah, just kidding, someone else did it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. These guys have got better at packaging things up. The last few products that I have ordered from Flipkart, they turned out to be packaged very good, even though the products that I ordered were different than the products that I received. We will talk about that in a different video, but for now let's quickly open it up and have a look at the speaker. You do have a screen and it's a touch screen. Now this is a Google Assistant enabled smart speaker and I got it for 1500 rupees. You can buy this for around 3000 rupees right now in Flipkart and Amazon. Just like it says on the packaging, it's Google enabled. It's Google Assistant enabled, and it can show you the time and set alarms for you and do bunch of things. Don't worry about the price and the label on the box. It's not 10,000. Don't worry, it's just 3000 rupees or something. It has the mic off and on switch and also a USB-A port to charge your mobile phones or any other gadgets when this is plugged in, and you can play music from YouTube Music and Spotify. It's also Google Chromecast enabled and can work with Philips Hue. Now let's open it up and set it up. Alright, there's our smart speaker. Let's take it out. Let me put it aside for some time and look into the contents of the box. Now we have the power adapter in this little box. Let's keep this big one aside and look into the power adapter. This is some quick setup guide. The regular paperwork, let's put it aside. And this is its charger. It's an AC power adapter. Keep in mind that you can't use this as an individual Bluetooth speaker. You need it to be plugged in at all times if you want to use it. And it also has a nice texture, and it also has the volume up and down keys on top, and we have a 10.2 centimeters touch capacitive LCD screen, and there are two microphones facing front, and you also have that mic on and off switch for extra privacy, and the charging port as well as the USB-A port. You can charge your mobile phones when this is plugged into the wall socket. Like I said, these are two nice volume buttons on the top, and you have the Lenovo branding here and some information. Now let's get the power adapter and plug it in and set it up. Keep in mind that it takes some time to boot up for the first time, and as soon as the Lenovo logo goes off, you get this Google logo, and once that goes off, you get this prompt to install the Google Home app on your phone. It may be an Android phone or an iPhone, and you just need to follow the on-screen instructions from there on. Now you'll have to select a Google account to go with the smart clock for the Google Assistant, and you can set it up on your phone. Now if you run into a problem like this, just restart your Wi-Fi router. That should resolve the issue. Once the Google Map shows that you're connected, make sure the code on both the devices is the same. We don't want to control any other devices, right? After it is confirmed that the device you are connected to is yours, set it up, choose where the device is going to be, whether in the bedroom or the living room. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to use with it. Obviously that should be the same one you are connected to on your smartphone. And if you get any error messages that you see on the screen, just restart your Wi-Fi router. Once it is connected with the phone, it starts updating the software on the smart speaker itself. Give it some time. The update is pretty quick usually. It all depends on the speed of your Wi-Fi connection. While it updates, I am going to set up the Google Assistant on my phone. If you have already set it up on your phone, then you can skip this step. Okay Google, play my workout playlist. Okay Google, where is the nearest post office? Hey Google, remind me to buy flowers. Hey Google, what time is the sunrise? Now you can use all these services that you see on the screen with this Lenovo Smart speaker, but you will have to have those subscriptions. And here's the brief summary of the device. It's for the master bedroom and YouTube music is activated and it's connected to the Wi-Fi network. I'm using a Geo 5 device and it's of course taking long time to download the updates. As you can see, it's still updating, but it will do the job. Now it's finally done. The clock is ready, and as you can see the time, it synchronizes with your smartphone's time. And you can also change the watch faces right from the smart clock itself. And there are a bunch of other things that you can do with the smart clock, but we'll get to that in a different video. But for now, let's have a look at the music quality, the volume.
Playing some music on YouTube Music. The mic is muted. The mic's back on.
That's a wrap for the video, guys. The in-depth review is coming soon, and please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.